a man robbed the largest money laundering factory of the Russian Mafia. Despite being surrounded by piles of cash, he was not tempted. After distributing severance pay to all the employees, he ordered the corrupt police to inform the authorities. When the police arrived, they were stunned by the scene in front of them. This was only the beginning of his counterattack. Based on the clues obtained from the corrupt police, he blew up their cargo ship used to smuggle cooking oil. In just one day, the criminal group lost billions. Furious, the boss ordered Sang Biao to eliminate the man immediately. However, Sang Biao decided to target a supermarket employee who worked with the man. They set up a meeting at the supermarket, warning that if the man didn't show up within an hour, Sang Biao would start killing people. Time passed quickly, and as Sang Biao was about to give the order, the city's broadcast system suddenly came alive. A captive named Xiao Kara was forced by the man to walk toward the broadcasting studio. This was exactly part of the man's plan. The man then turned off the lights in the broadcasting studio and used the intercom to summon reinforcements. 2 gangsters were swiftly taken down by the man in a single move. The man instructed Xiao Kara to lead everyone out quickly while he stayed back to deal with the remaining attackers. Sang Biao, frustrated by losing 2 more men, decided to personally lead his team into the mall. The man, who had worked there for years, had a firm grasp of the geographical advantage. As soon as they entered the mall, he cut off the power and started his hunt. One of Sang Biao's men accidentally stepped on a trap set by the man and was suspended in midair. In his struggle, chaos erupted among the group. Another member who arrived at the scene was caught off guard and stabbed in the neck by the man. Hearing the commotion, another gangster fired his gun, wounding the man but not fatally. However, the shooter became so frightened that he opened fire at every little sound. When his ammunition ran out, the man suddenly appeared behind him and took him down. After a tough fight, the man finally eliminated the fat attacker in front of him. By this time, he was seriously injured and unable to continue the battle. Fortunately, Xiao Kara returned just in time and led the remaining attackers to another location. The man instructed Xiao Kara to restore the supermarket's electrical systems. While the attackers were still confused, they noticed a microwave that had been turned on. The massive explosion triggered the supermarket's firefighting system. Taking advantage of the chaos, Xiao Kara ran into another room and locked the door. An anxious Sang Biao quickly followed, suspecting it might be another trap. The man appeared behind him, holding a nail gun. Sang Biao attempted to resist, but the man shot him again and again until he was completely incapacitated. The man had no intention of wasting words with him. After dealing with Sang Biao, the man tracked down the mastermind behind the operation. The boss tried to bribe the man with money, but the man, being a principled individual, refused. Single-handedly, he dismantled the entire mafia. Life returned to normal for the man, who continued living like an ordinary person. Xiao Mei, who was freed from the gang's control, started pursuing her dreams. Perhaps influenced by the man, she eventually became a remarkable and formidable individual.